So now come to question number 26, exercise 2, page 6, definite integration. Just simply integrate it. So sine alpha plus, what is the integration of sine cos 2x will be? Sine 2x and divide by the coefficient of x, 2x, alpha to 2 alpha is equal to 0. So sine alpha plus sine 4 alpha minus sine 2 alpha upon 2. So 2 is equal to 0. This. So apply here 2 sine alpha plus in this sine C plus sine D. Sine C plus sine D. 2 sine C plus 2 cos, sorry. Sine C plus sine D, 2 cos. C plus D by 2. 3 alpha into sine C minus C by 2 is equal to, so 2 sine alpha into 1 plus cos 3 alpha is equal to 0. So either sine alpha is equal to 0 or cos 3 alpha is equal to minus 1. So either alpha is equal to n pi or 3 alpha is equal to k plus 1 into pi. Pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, then it will be minus 1. So alpha will be 2k plus 1 into pi by 3, where k and n are any integers. So pi is minus pi by 3, k is equal to 0, any integer. So alpha can be here, 3 alpha is equal to pi, 3 alpha is equal to pi, so alpha is equal to pi by 3 is correct. And alpha is equal to, n is equal to minus 1. This is also correct. Go at minus pi, this I think it is minus pi. So more than one option is correct. In this case, n is equal to 0 is also correct. So answer must be not a solution. Then A can be solution. Achha, minus pi, the value of alpha between minus pi to 0. So what can be solutions of this? You can see alpha can be 0, pi, minus pi, on pi by 3. So minus pi by 3. If you take minus 1, k is equal to minus 1, it will be minus pi by 3. So all these can be answers. So in this interval, only one option is there, that is C option. But minus pi is not there, 0 is also not there. Others have been excluded. So only one option is there, that is C, minus pi to 0. So thank you.